What's up? It's your girl Leticia here, and this is going to be another hair tutorial. We're going to get some crimps with a flat iron because I've always wanted a crimper, and every time I go to the store I forget to get it, or I'm looking online and I'm like, that's too expensive. So we're gonna get some crimps with what we have at home. So I have an eyeliner and we're gonna be using that. So if you want to watch how I get crimps in my hair with a flat iron, just stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Alright, what you're gonna need is, of course, the obvious, a flat iron, hairspray. I say a brush, but half of the time I really don't be using a brush, but if you want to use a brush, you can. So first thing I do is just take my hair in half. This is similar like to the last video with the steps, like, you know, taking my hair in half and just brushing it. Combed out, everything is nice. So literally we're just gonna start taking a small piece, I would say like that. Maybe. I'm sorry for like my stuffy nose. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's allergies. I don't know if I'm getting sick. No, I ain't got the, you know. No, I ain't got it. Alright. But yeah. So we're gonna take, hold on. Please don't burn yourself because I've already burnt myself like twice. We're gonna take this section right here, right? You can brush it out. Like I said, I say I use a brush, but I really don't. So you're gonna take the flat iron and you're gonna flip it, hold it for a second, move it down an inch, hold it for a second, move it for a second. See how you got crimps? So I'm gonna show you another section. I really don't know how to explain this, but yeah, I'm gonna show you another section and then I'm just gonna do half of my head. So like I said, you're gonna take your flat iron, you're gonna flip it, hold it for a second, move down an inch, hold it for a second. Alright, I'm gonna keep on finishing this side, and then I'll be back to show y'all the finished product. So this is the final look. We got some waves, crimps, whatever you want to call it, going on in the hair. And yeah, guys, like I just put a little bit of hairspray And that's it. Like, this is so easy to do. It's so pretty too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little hair tutorial, and I hope you learned something from it, and I hope you try it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.